that's one rotor?
That's one rotor.
How are you gonna do this? One rotor, one housing, one rotor, housing again, or just both rotors, one putazo? Yeah.
Well, so I can clear space, I'm gonna do one rotor. I'm gonna put this over there, put this over there, and then that way I can start on this, and then when I get ready to stack it, we can start stacking. Shut up, phone.
Nice. What does that fool say? I like it a lot.
Trying to see which side is. So this is gonna be this side. Okay.
What's that?
That is Halimar. This is used. This is used to hold the O-rings in place. I normally get a bigger tube, but it's Halimar.
Okay.
Okay, I need seals.
And what are these big ass rubber bands, bro? Or what are these big rubber bands?
These are your water O-rings, your inner and your outer. These are your inners, and these are the outers.
Oh.
Yeah.
So there's a different set for different...
Yes.
Okay, so inners would probably be for what?
I guess you can say to keep water from getting into this chamber.
Yeah.
And then the outers will be for keep water from getting out this way. It's the best way I can explain it.
There we go. So yeah, I guess that's actually a real good way to explain it.
Yeah. I have a bunch of. So you got these guys, and then you should have something like this. Yes. I'm gonna need both of these. Give it! Give it! Don't judge me.
You're fighting with the bag?
Yes!
Love it.
Stupid bag.
You put up a good fight though, I gotta admit.
Not too much, not too much, not too much. Not too much. Okay.
What's that word? That they tell you when you use an ointment or something like that to put it I guess not to be greedy with it or to be subtle with it. What's the word? I forget.
To be generous?
Yes. So the spread on this, how are you doing that spread? Are you doing like a generous spread on it or what?
Kind of.
Oh, we got like a little jetty one, huh? I'm guessing that was from the initial pour, huh?
It's just a piece that didn't get cleaned off as good as it was supposed to be. Got it. Okay.
So I guess apply generously.
Not too generously. You don't want to overdo it.
Alright.
But you want to make sure that you get enough because you want to hold these in place.
So you get like an even spread type of thing, right?
Yeah. So the black is always facing up on the outers.
exactly are you doing now?
Coating the side of the rotor housing and the face of the iron, so that way when you get ready to build oil pressure and start the motor, you're not starting it dry. You don't want to do too much, but you just want enough to coat.
Just to create that barrier, right, between the...
Yeah. Give it some type of lubrication. That one's not going in. Cool. Making sure that they don't get stuck. So when you slide these in, they go all the way down. Got it. Done. We still got, so I still got to put the other O-rings in, the eccentric shaft, and then the center iron has to go on. And then that will be the first half of the stack. Oh, and I got to do the springs. So
Cool.